In today's video, I'm going to show you how to reduce video file size with Clipchamp quickly and easily. If you've ever tried to upload a video and realized the file is too large for email, cloud storage, or even certain platforms, this tutorial is going to save you a lot of time and frustration. The best part is, you don't need any extra software or complicated compression tools. Everything can be done directly inside Clipchamp in just a few clicks. Make sure to watch until the end so you don't miss any important settings. And if this video helps you out, don't forget to like and subscribe for more simple and practical tech tutorials. Let's get started. First, open Clipchamp and go to any project of your choice. You can either create a new project or open an existing one that contains the video you want to compress. Once your project is open and your video is loaded into the timeline, you're ready to adjust the export settings to reduce the file size. Now, head to the top right corner of the screen and click on the Export button. When you click Export, Clipchamp will show you different resolution options. If you want more control, click on More Options. This is where you can choose the video quality that directly affects your final file size. To reduce the video file size, select 720p or another lower resolution option. The lower the resolution, the smaller the file size will be. For example, if your video is currently set to export at 1080p or higher, switching to 720p can significantly reduce the overall file size while still maintaining good visual quality for most platforms, like YouTube, email sharing, or online uploads. If file size is your main priority, you can even choose a lower resolution depending on your needs. Keep in mind that resolution plays a big role in file size because higher resolutions contain more pixel data. By lowering it, you're essentially reducing the amount of data being exported, which results in a smaller file. This is one of the quickest and most effective ways to compress your video without needing advanced editing knowledge. After selecting your preferred resolution, simply click on Export. Clipchamp will begin processing your video with the new settings. Depending on the length of your video and your computer speed, this may take a few moments. Once the export is complete, your newly compressed video file will be ready to download and share. That's it. You've successfully reduced your video file size using Clipchamp. As a quick recap, open your project, click Export, go to More Options, choose 720p or a lower resolution, and then click Export to download your smaller file. If you found this tutorial helpful, make sure to like this video and subscribe to the channel for more easy Clipchamp tips and software guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.